Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Well, a couple of videos ago we had a scroll video and it auto-played. Somebody was asking if we could stop it and start it when it comes into view. If you look at the bottom of the screen now, I've got a video that's going to pop up. It's just a generic Divi one. It's going to start playing when we pop it into view there. If I pop it back out of the way, it's going to stop playing again. When I bring it back, it'll start playing again.
I don't like painting a master.
If we scroll on up the top of the site, it'll stop playing again. And then once we bring it back down, it'll start playing again.
What site is handling painting a master.
Now this is pretty easy to do. I've actually written a bit of JavaScript to do this today, and I'll put a download link for the JavaScript below the video. So let's get started. I'm going to enable the Visual Builder and we'll get this built. Okay, once enabled, let's go down to where you want to put your video. I'd recommend you put it somewhere in the middle of the page so it's got a bit of scrolling time. Let's delete this whole row and we'll start from scratch. Okay, well, I'm going to add a new row, little green button to add a new row. Doesn't matter how many columns you put in, you can put a full screen video in if you want. I'm going to put 2 columns in. I'm going to put my video on the left hand side and my code on the right, slightly opposite of what I did before. To do this, I'm going to use a regular Divi video module. And there it is. And for anybody that doesn't know, just trash it and put in your new URL for any YouTube video you want. Let's just do that. We can add a video. Let's insert from a URL. Get your video URL from YouTube. Pop it in there. This will work for Vimeo also. Once you've got it, insert it into the post. And there it is. It pops that video in there. But of course, people have actually got to hit the play button for it to play. What I want to happen is I want it to be out of view. Then when it comes into view, I want it to start playing so they can watch it. And then when it rolls up the top there, it needs to stop again. So let's save that. To do that today, I'm going to add a bit of JavaScript. So let's add a code module. And here it is. I've got some JavaScript over here that I've written. And it's got a couple of different functions. One's to make it stop when it goes out and one's to make it start when it comes into the field of view. The thing that you want to keep in mind is this little bit right here, var video on line 3. And that's the hashtag, the ID of the video that you want to play. So I'm going to copy all of this. Let's just copy all this script here. Control C. And I'll paste it into here, our little code module. Make sure you got the script tags both ends. Okay, well, let's go into our other little module here. Let's just save this code module. I'm going to go into this module and we'll give it an ID so we can identify it. Advanced CSS IDs and classes. Let's give it an ID of my YT video. Give it whatever it is you want. I'm just going to show you how you can make this happen. So it's now got a name of my YouTube video or my YT video. I'm going to copy that CSS ID. Make sure it's an ID and not a class. Then we can go back into our code module. As code modules don't take up much real estate, sometimes you have trouble getting to them. In this case, I'm fine. If you did have trouble getting to it, you could go down to the little purple button, hit wireframe mode. That'll take us to the back end. And you've got your little code module there, really easily accessible. But we're okay today. Okay, well, we gave our little video that ID. So we need to go down to line 3 here. There's the ID. So I need to select that, not the iframe. Where there's a gap, that's a different ID. Paste in the new ID. Make sure that you've got a hashtag in front of it, because all CSS IDs have a hashtag in front. So put a hashtag in front. Make sure you've got it in between those little inverted commas that are right at the end there. Don't cut those off. So you need hashtag, then the ID that you gave to your video. And what this is going to do, it's going to start the video playing when it comes into view. It'll continue playing. If it goes up, out of view, or down out of view, it'll stop it again for you. So let's save our changes and see if this is going to work for us today. I'm going to save draft. And I'm going to exit the Visual Builder. Now let's roll down. There's our little video. It's starting to autoplay. Fantastic. We can sit here and watch it. And then we roll it up the top of the screen there. It's going to stop. We roll it back in. It's going to start again. If we roll it back down to the bottom, it's going to stop once more. And again, if we roll it back up, it's going to continue playing. And that's a great little feature to have on your site. If I just pause it, autoplay videos are good, but they're kind of annoying if they play all the time. Plus they do take up a bit of server resources if you've got them playing on a page and they can't be seen. With this method, it's going to save on the server resources because it stops the video when it's out of view, which is great. Now we actually put the code in a code module today. If you wanted to, you could integrate this code into, go down to theme options, go down to integration. Once in integration, you could add it to the body of your site. Just paste it in there. It's already got its script tagged. Save the changes. And then any video on your site, you could give the ID of my YouTube video or whatever the ID was we gave it. And it'll autoplay that whenever it comes into view also. So there's another little option for you. So let's just refresh this page. And if we go on down, there's our video ready to play. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. Let's just pause that. Don't forget, I'll put a link to the JavaScript code down below so anybody can copy and paste it, use it as you will. Don't forget, if you have any questions, put them down below the video. I'll do my best to answer them for you or make a demo video for you. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.